Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to allow others to share your post in their story on Facebook. Maybe you want to allow your friends to share your post in their stories but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how to allow friends to share your post in their stories. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this home page. And then now, to proceed, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap it, you'll be directed into this page. Simply scroll down and you'll see the settings and privacy. Beside it, here is a drop-down button. Tap on it. After that, under the settings and privacy, you will see these settings. Tap on it. And then in here, under the settings and privacy, you will see these preferences and audience and visibility. In here, choose profile and tagging. And then as you can see under the viewing and sharing, allow others to share your post to their stories. Simply tap on this to unallow it. And if you want it to allow, simply tap on it again. As you can see, if you create a public post, anyone to Facebook can share it to their story. If you tag someone in any post, they can share it to their story. Their story will include your full name, a link to your post, and will be visible for 24 hours. They control who sees it. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to allow others to share your posts on their Facebook stories, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to allow others to share your posts to their stories, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.